everyone! With Mother's Day coming up, I thought today would be a good day to show you how to make a cake topper with your Cricut. I'm going to be using our Happy Mother's Day cake topper SVG file, which I'll leave a link to in the description below. So I'm in Cricut Design Space and I'm going to go ahead and upload the SVG file and then add it to my blank canvas. I changed the color to pink so you can see the screen a little better. I need two images, one for the front and one for the back, so I right click on the image and click duplicate. With the second image, I flip it horizontally. This will make sure that I have glitter on both sides of the cake topper. I set the dial on my Cricut to Cardstock Plus and start cutting. I'm using a heavyweight glitter cardstock by Bella Glitz, but you could use any cardstock. Once it finishes cutting, I take the toppers off the mat and make sure it is well weeded. I glue the reverse side with craft glue and then stick on the top side, making sure to match both sides perfectly. I attach my stick with hot glue and I'm using an acrylic stick here, but you could use a wooden one if you prefer. And now my cake top is ready for Mother's Day. I hope this video has inspired you to create your own cake topper. If you follow me on Instagram and make a cake topper, tag me in at Eternal Stationery. I would love to see what you guys have created. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like this video and also subscribe to see more videos like this. And I'll see you guys next time.